So guys, I'm going to assume that you have your Instagram and Facebook account both linked. So you can now delete your Instagram account through your Facebook application. So I'm using mobile, so in the top left, I'm going to click on the three lines. And now on the bottom, I'm going to select Settings and Privacy. Now I'm going to select Settings again. Once this comes up, on the top, you want to click on Account Center, see more in Account Center. Now you want to click on Manage Accounts. It should be showing your Instagram account if you have it linked. I'm going to delete this, so I'm going to click on Manage. And then click on Deactivation or Deletion. And then click on Delete Account if you want to delete it. Continue. Select the option that you want. And then continue. You can read through all of this if you want, but for me, I'm trying to continue to delete my account. Now for me, since I have two-factor authentication enabled for my Instagram account, I'm going to have to switch to Instagram. If you don't have it enabled, you can then follow through the steps and then delete your Instagram account through here. That's how you do it.